Usembut mendirang ba badai kami yak tanat kampoi yang kesor ka harcela ba Prestone tensong ulashim ba ka jingja huri-hura haturahi menhaka apsau trip naitung arja arpulai kadai ka kambat ka buit saiñ-hima de ki katto katne kiseng saiñ-hima. Habakren sikilar patai kobor hak no pai singi ka arpnyo trip naitung arjar arpulai uba Prestone uloong ba nak jingtoket ki pau shai ba ki te ki brio ki badan kti ban kencai ki de ki badan hakiseng saiñ-hima bat ya mentahi ka ain kan le la ka benta. Halor ka jingsha kena bapil ketanat pulet uba Prestone ulong baki bor pulet kidon kam ban kam trisman.
Law and order situation in the other state is good. It's under control totally, including Tura town, which was recently has happened like that, and arrest has been made, and let the law also take its own course. I think, see, the demand is always you can demand whatever you want, but let us go to the factualities. The factualities is what? When we made an arrest, right from that night itself, we found out that quite a number of those arrested persons, in some way or the other, they belong to political parties, which ultimately my conclusion says that these are all political issues. These are all political plans made by few political parties. However, I don't want to dwell much on that, but let the law take its own course. Through investigation has to be there. We continue to do that, and in fact, I'm so happy with the police forces step in on time, and they're doing well, maintaining law and order. So I congratulate them, and at the same time, I would request all the police forces to again go more aggressive on these issues wherever things happen, and also to be more proactive from now on. For me, I think see any incident which leads to ultimately law and order, pre-plan or no pre-plan, I think I can't just come to a conclusion. But the fact remains, whether you talk about the pre-plan or you talk about the post-plan, see, the law is law, and the police personnel are here to serve the people of the state at any point of time, whether you are having problem or you don't have problem, whether there's a fight or there's no fight. But we need to be more vigilant, we need to be well active to make sure that be it the town, be it the village, and the state as a whole are totally peaceful. To cause damage to the people of the state. See, why should we talk about CM alone or about Deputy CM alone? We talk about the damages intended by these people. Because see, the moment they wanted to create law and order means the damage goes to whom? The damage goes to the people. Be it rich, be it poor. So that's what I'm telling you. See, we cannot just play in the name of law and order for your self-interest, for your own interest, for your own intention, right or wrong. But as I said to you, police and the government is here. We are committed to maintain peace, to maintain law and order at any cost. Well, I don't say the failure, but what I'm trying to tell you is police forces will be more active. We need to be more active in all fronts, not necessarily only intelligence, but in all fronts. We need to be more active, more proactive, and we will go all out for that. See, right now, arrest has been made, and maybe more arrests will be made. I personally feel let the law takes its own course right now, because investigation is on. We have already made an arrest for not less than 34, 35 plus, so maybe more will be arrested who are directly involved in this particular case that has happened that night. So let us complete all these procedures. Once it is arrested, once we have done everything, so the investigation will tell us what is next to be done. See, my calculation is very clear. Since most of the members who were arrested, they belong to party A, party B, party C. So see, that's what I'm telling you. Ultimately, it seems this is politically motivated. It's a political agenda, it seems. It is not that the agenda of Khasi, Jaintia or Garo. It is the political agenda of some political parties. Though I can't come to a conclusion like that. Let the investigation do all the detail, then only we'll be able to know exactly. I think Dr. Mukul Sangma himself, he has been in the chair as Chief Minister for more than 7 years, maybe 8 years. I think when he talked that way, is he trying to say that time when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, he uses all the officers in the police department for his own interest? If that is so, it is so unfortunate. But let me tell you very frankly that as government we are here, be it Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, or be it anybody, we are here not to protect for ourselves, but we are here to protect the citizens of the state in the state of.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.